Hi everyone, my name is Suraj Chaudhary. I am doing MBA in SS Institute of Management. I am first year student. Today's our discussion subject is financial accounting and subtopic is accounts and its important. Introduction. What is account? Accounting is the process of recording financial transaction pertaining to a business. The accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to oversight agencies, regulator, and tax collection entities. The financial statement used in accounting are concise summary of financial transaction over an accounting period, summarize the company's operation, financial position, and cash flow. The first of all, why financial accounting is important? It means that the need of accounting record communicate the financial result of operations of an organization to various concerned parties such as stakeholder, government agency, etc. Provide information that help the management of the organization to plan the future course of action and other funds related issues. Financial accounting is needed in following sectors: financial statement analysis, access internal control, liability and equity, budgeting and variance analysis, business operation, financial management, and decision making based on accounting. The main types of accounting are financial accounting, management accounting, and cost accounting. We'll discuss one by one. Financial accounting. Financial accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, and reporting a company's business transaction through financial statement. These statements are the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow statement, and the statement of retained earning. Second one is management accounting. The process of creating organization goals by identifying, measuring, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating information to managers is called management or managerial accounting. Management accounting focus on all accounting element informing management about operational business matters. It is use information relating to cost of product or services purchased based by company. Budgets are often used to quantify the decision made in operational planning. Management accountants use performance report to note variances between actual return from budget. The cost accounting. Cost accounting Cost accounting is a method of managerial accounting which aims to capture the total product cost of business by measuring variable cost of each production phase as well as fixed costs such as release expense. Cost accounting allowed rail and steel company to manage cost and make themselves more competitive. By the early 20th century, cost accounting had become a widely discussed subject in the literature of business management. Use of accounting in different fields. The accounting is used in different fields. These are financial accounting, cost accounting, auditing, managerial accounting, accounting information system, tax accounting, forensic accounting, judiciary accounting. In these all fields, account is used. Now we'll discuss advantages and disadvantages of accounting. Advantages of accounting are maintenance of a business record, Second one is preparation of financial statement. Third one is comparison of results. Fourth one is decision making. If we have financial accounting, then we can make decision. If we are going to loss, then we can improve our productivity through financial accounting. There are evidence in legal matters. The next one is help in taxation matters. Other one is valuation of business, and last one is replacement of memory. And disadvantages of accounting are: expresses accounting information in terms of money. Accounting information is based on estimate. Accounting information may be biased. Recording of fixed asset at the original cost. Manipulation of accounts. Money as a measurement unit changes in value. These are disadvantages of financial accounting. Thank you. Stay safe.